Hi guys, Joy here. It's a very sunny afternoon here in Seoul, Korea, and I wanted to give you guys a house tour today because as some of you know, I am moving out of this apartment pretty soon. My contract is up in August 18th, I believe. That's how late I can stay. But because as some of you already know that I've been kind of getting into a pretty good workout routine, this gym that's near my apartment right now, I believe my membership is only until about 6th or 8th of August. So I want to try and settle in a new area with the new gym before the membership expires, so I'm not skipping any workout days. I know it seems a little like crazy to schedule my life around the workout routine, but I think because right now I'm dealing with a lot of stress, like having that stress relief and then the workout routine, it's really important for me. I do get like dips throughout the day where I feel kind of like how I would feel back when I would be like feeling depressed or something like that. It's not too extreme, and I believe that's probably because I have a nice little routine of me going to a cafe, working on some stuff, which is my goal for this year. I haven't told you guys what it is yet. I would really just like to go ahead and reach the goal and then talk to you guys about it next year. But anyway, so I have a very nice routine for that. And then every day I made a schedule workout routine, but it would just be like 6 days a week where I am doing my work and then working out. Then I'll have one day off to just do whatever I want and relax. But I think just having that routine is kind of a saving grace, and it's literally, I believe, what's holding my mental together right now. So yeah, I think it's very important for me to do that. So therefore, I feel more, I guess you could say, rushed time-wise to try and bring you guys some content at this apartment. Because as I said, I love this apartment. I made some good memories. It's not a perfect apartment, but it's been pretty good. But I do think that I am ready to move on with good feelings in my heart. So that's that. Anyway, without further ado, let's get started with the house tour. I hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, so this is the general look of my apartment right now. It is extremely clean, and one thing I'm very proud of is that this place used to be covered with stickers. Someone had put stickers all over the kitchen, all on the doorway, and then in the bathroom. So for me, I definitely believe, I'm not showing off, but by me living here and cleaning up actually made this apartment much better. I believe they can make at least $50 a month for that, so I would say I'm a pretty good tenant. But anyway, there's my bedroom. I'll rotate the camera pretty soon to give you guys a detailed tour. Hi guys! So as you can see, this is my living space. There's this huge window with a very nice mountain view. This is pretty much the thing that sold the apartment to me, despite of all the stickers and the signs that this apartment wasn't loved enough. But I absolutely love the view, and I was specifically asking for a good view and plenty of sunlight, as you can see. The only downside of having so much sunlight is at night when I'm trying to sleep, like any lights from the buildings, or if I'm trying to nap during the day, the sunlight can be a little bit too much. So I do have an eye cover, which I'll show you guys during my bedroom tour, which is right over here. Before we move to the bedroom, I want to show you guys, one of my subscriber ladies commented how Joe is doing. Oops, and Joe is doing incredibly. Look, he's gotten so much bigger. I don't know if you guys remember, but he used to have a very stubby arm, and then this arm used to not overlap with it, but now he's overlapping. He was getting bigger, so I gave him a bigger pot. I was a little bit scared that after I transport him into a new pot, he might die or something, but he's going strong, which I'm very grateful for that. It was kind of a rainy season, and I was told that you shouldn't be watering your cactus too much during rainy season. So I just gave him plenty of water when I first repotted him, and then just haven't watered him yet. But I don't know, does he look dry? He looks a little dry to me. I might need to water him more, but anyways. And speaking of stickers, do you guys see this tray of like white lines? So that was like a sign of how many stickers there were in this apartment. But it was crazy. It was all over there in the kitchen, on the cabinet. It's as if someone was trying to destroy this place pretty much, like with stickers. Like, it was crazy. But I did look at an apartment that was 1 floor down that was much cleaner, I guess you could say, but it just didn't have this view. I mean, just 1 floor down, it was just not as good. And I love this view. Anytime I'm stressed, anytime I feel like I need a little bit of sunlight to lighten up my mood and get my vitamin D, this is where I go for it, clearly. Hey there, so this is my bedroom setup right here. As some of you have seen in my minimalist bedroom tour, I do not have an official bed, but I do have this floor mat that's pretty thick that I use as a bed instead. You could go watch that video on my channel somewhere. And then I have 2 blankets. I could have just one, but right now in my life, minimizing my items and things like that is not a huge emergency, and I have other things on my mind, other things to do. So yeah, that's that. And as you can see, I have 2 pillows. This one is actually not mine. It's someone else's, and they really like this pillow, but forgot to take it. So I'm kind of holding on to it, and then I decided to just sort of use that as my main pillow, and then just declutter my own pillow, because for me, pillows don't really hold that much sentimental value. But yeah, and this other one is also not mine, but since it's already here, and then I'll be moving soon, and I kind of miss having something to put my legs on when I sleep. I don't know about you guys, but it's like, I don't know, it feels good. I've been missing it for some time, but I didn't really feel the need to buy one. But now that I have it, I'm kind of holding onto this pillow as like a body pillow, for hugging pillow. I might declutter it when I move, or I might hold on to it until this person comes to take the pillow, take their pillow. So that's that. And as you can see, since it's super sunny, I have this eye mask. Woohoo! That's good for blocking out the sun. As I said before I believe in my first minimalist house tour, I used to have curtains, but I decided to get rid of the curtains, because why have heavy big curtains when you have this eye mask? Now, I have to be honest, one thing I do miss about having curtains is some privacy, and also sometimes I think they're really good for regulating temperature. I think someone else might have mentioned that in the comments, and then I couldn't agree more. So it's something you do as a trade-off, and you know, there's always this urge to want to reach perfection with minimalism and the items that I own. But again, with everything in life, you're just doing your best to be as good and as better as you can. But there's no such thing as perfection, and there's oftentimes the price you pay for something that you want. So anyway, that's that, and that concludes my bedroom tour. Hi guys, Joy here. So originally I was going to do a whole apartment tour, but guess what? I think my phone is saying it's running out of memory again. I don't know what's going on. I think it might be like an iPhone thing. I don't know, maybe there's like a cloud somewhere where my files are not getting decluttered. So clearly I'm no expert when it comes to digital minimalism, although I don't have that many apps. And some of you commented that I should do like a video on digital minimalism. I think it's a brilliant idea. I will definitely do a video like that in the future, just not right now, because I am kind of like up to my neck with things that I'm working on my own. So, but thank you so much for that comment. But anyway, so today I think I'm just gonna have to do the living room and my bedroom tour. I hope you guys still like this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. It helps a lot. And thank you always for your kindness and your comments and your really amazing selves. So hope you guys have a great day wherever you are in the world, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye!